Hi everyone, my name is Emily and this is my electronic portfolio for Weebly. It says, "Welcome to my portfolio. Here you will find many of my assignments I have created this semester through CWI and my educational technology course." My name is Emily and I'm attending the College of Western Idaho. I'm pursuing an elementary education teaching degree. I plan on transferring to BSU once I am finished at CWI to complete the school. I'm currently a substitute teacher for elementary and secondary schools to further my experience in this amazing career field. This is my biography page. For my Word assignments page, below are some Microsoft Word documents I created in this educational technology course. So I have my classroom newsletter I created, the newsletter shortened up so that I could save on printing. I have my language lesson plan, my essay, my weekly schedule, my permission slip I created. Then I have my Excel assignment I created this semester. So we have the playground, the conference page, the curriculum breakdown, and the grades. Then I have my PowerPoint assignment that I created on a lesson plan. So I did my language learners, and I have my standards. I have all my content on the pronouns and verbs, rapid review for my students, the seat work, and then my references. Then here's my WebQuest assignment. I've included the link here. It goes straight to my Writing Warriors page for grade levels 3 to 5, and English Language Arts is the curriculum that I based it on. This assignment was basically having my students work with a partner. They write a short story. They each write one on any subject they choose, and then it just has to be school appropriate. Then they email each other their short stories, and when they exchange them, there's 2 worksheets to fill out. One is a reader's worksheet, which basically is the student filling out like the characters, the plot, the settings from their partner's story. And then the second worksheet is just an illustration page for the student to illustrate the story that they read from their partner, that their partner created. So they'll go to the tasks, and it basically has a list of things to do: brainstorm your story, write your story, revise and edit, send your story to your partner, wait for your partner to send you theirs, read your partner's story, fill out the worksheet, submit your story. And I have the different attachments like the short story rubric, which is basically just a place for them to be able to write, and then the reader worksheet, which has everything there, and then the illustration page for them to write. So then we have the process, and it just basically is letting them know that they need to have at least a half page on the story to receive any credit at all. They must focus on complete sentences, making sure they use correct capitalization, punctuation, spelling, etc. Use a dictionary if they aren't quite sure. Include at least 1 confusing word in the short story. Use it correctly, like to. Use the correct form of to for whatever they're speaking of or there. And include at least 1 prepositional phrase, and use as many adjectives or descriptive words as they can, and just do their best. Then for the evaluation, I have this grading rubric, and it has, for the short story, for the writer, it has all the different things that needed to be included. And then for the reader, they reflect on the characters, plot, setting, and the illustration, whether they took their time and got excellent, or if they were missing content or needed improvement. So there is the rubric for that. And then I have the conclusion, which is amazing work, my writing warriors. You're now officially short story writers and illustrators. These are qualities that can be expanded on in school and in your free time. So just giving them that extra push to maybe write short stories or illustrate stories in their free time. And then this is just my teacher page, and it says the lesson gives the students control over the topic they choose. This helps students get drawn into the assignment opposed to giving them a random topic for a story they may not be interested in. So just lets them know why I created this assignment. And roughly it takes about an hour and a half if the student is working is working hard on the assignment. That's as long as it should take the average student. Here are my Common Core standards. I chose quite a few of them to add into this assignment. And all of my images are from Google Images, and I created my own rubric in Excel as well as my own worksheets in Microsoft Word. And then I just have my information here. And that's everything for my electronic portfolio.